So the horses are loading for this one. 7:30 at Chelmsford, and the horse we like is Lexington Jet. We backed Lexington Jet at 7.4 pretty much, so we're looking to lay off at 3.7 as you can see, and those are the odds to keep an eye on. So anyway, they're loading, a little bit delay, so anyway we'll be right back.
Over 1 mile, Tynecastle City was a little bit slow into stride as they head through that first furlong. Getting away well, Lexington Jet. Royal blue cap now being worn by Rosser.
So that's a good sign, getting away well, Lexington Jet. Let's see if it helps our trade.
Kavanagh. Then up against the rail, Madame de Sevigné is in about 4th position. Commander of Life, Holly Doyle in the maroon cap is out wider. They're fairly well spread out, so they've gone pretty hard through the first couple of furlongs. The grey who was quite keen at the back is Tynecastle City. He's now trying to settle a bit better. Moonjid towards the back as well in the orange and black colours, Kieran Fallon. So leading is Lexington Jet and Ross Orion, who's certainly been quite free on the front end and leads by about 3 to 4 lengths to.
So as you can see, our horse is leading 3 to 4 lengths, but hasn't quite shortened yet because obviously the market still don't believe that this horse is going to win. So we got to wait until we get to the business end and see if that shortens the price.
Lexington Jet still leads by a couple of lengths. They're getting a bit closer now. Giant and Commander of Life, who's made a move under Holly Doyle into 2nd place. Moonjid, Kieran Fallon tries to cover that move. Out wide as Tynecastle City is making headway from the back. Then comes Uniting, and Madame de Sevigné is now out the back. Up the home straight, Lexington Jet's kicked again. Commander of Life trying to get past. These two have got a couple of lengths clear from Tynecastle City. Moonjid.
So we got it taken in the end. Lexington Jet is in the business end of this one.
With Commander of Life still putting up the challenge. Lexington Jet finding more for Ross Orion from in second. Commander of Life, fine ride from the front from Ross Orion. Lexington Jet blasts home to in second. Commander of Life, Uniting's in third, chased in by Tynecastle City.
So very interesting one there. Lexington Jet going on to actually win. So very good call on obviously backing Lexington Jet. And then in hindsight, you wonder why you laid off at 3.7. But of course, remember, once we were matched at 3.7, our money was doubled and it didn't really matter what happened with Lexington Jet. But it's also quite interesting to see that Lexington Jet led right from the start of the race and then went on to win the race. But the markets took a little bit of a while to kind of react to that. And if we can actually just bring up the chart on this. Let's have a closer look at the chart on Lexington Jet and just go for the full in play. So this is the price when it started in play, and despite leading, actually drifted initially, went out as high as 12 and only late on began to steam in. So it's just another interesting little facet with the markets when you get these prices, well, horses at this price, 7.4. They lead early on. The markets took a bit of a while to react to it and only really reacted once it was right at the end of the race. So yeah, very interesting. And obviously, yeah, we doubled our money on it. That's great. Yeah, we're out. Double or bust. We doubled in this case. This was just a clip. If you want to see the full video which breaks down this strategy step by step, click the video that's on the screen right now. We're going to dive deeper into the strategy, and then you're going to see many more trading clips just like this. As said, click the video on the screen, and then I'll see you in the next video.